Okay, let's see the aorta and its branches in this model. This is the ascending aorta, which is arising from the heart. This is the arch of the aorta, and you can see that three main branches arising from the arch of the aorta. The three main branches from the arch of the aorta are the brachiocephalic artery, the left common carotid artery, and the left subclavian artery. And from there, I'm removing the heart to show you that the arch of the aorta is passing backward and to the left. As you can see here, it is passing backward and to the left, and it is first the arch is in front of the trachea. As you can see, this is trachea, it is in front of the trachea, and at the level of the sternal angle, sternum is removed, so you can see here that at the level of the sternal angle, the arch is continuous with the descending aorta, as you can see here. So this is the descending thoracic aorta. This is the trachea. And it is dividing into right and left principal bronchus. You can see that the right bronchus is straighter and wider as compared to the left principal bronchus, and this area is referred to as the root of the lung, where the bronchi and vessels, you can see here, veins and arteries are either entering or leaving the lung. This area is referred to as the root of the lung. And here you can see that this is the diaphragm and the esophagus here, and esophagus is entering into the abdominal cavity through the opening inside the diaphragm, and aorta also goes into the abdomen to become the abdominal aorta inside the abdominal cavity. This is a liver, you can see here, and if I remove this liver, you can observe that this is the diaphragm, and you can see here that this is the right crus of the diaphragm through which the esophagus is entering into the abdominal cavity and is joining with the stomach. Okay, so this is the abdominal part of the esophagus. This is the thoracic part of the esophagus, and in the neck there will be the cervical part of the esophagus, which is not visible in this model. Alright, let's remove this stomach and see. These are the pancreas. This is the large intestine, colon, the transverse component, and you can see these are the small intestines visible in the model. And if I remove all the components, okay, you can see now that here through the diaphragm, the thoracic aorta is entering into the abdominal cavity to become the abdominal aorta. Alright, this is the abdominal aorta, and it is dividing into the iliac branches. Alright, this is the inferior vena cava. So this is the all about aorta and the openings in the diaphragm which allow the passage of the esophagus here and the aorta here at the lower level. All right, hope the model is clear to all of you now. Thank you very much. We will meet next time, inshallah. Till then, stay blessed, stay safe, take care of yourselves and your families. Allah Hafiz.